Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to move your WordPress website content to another domain on the same Hostinger account. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And here you will see a list of the added websites on your Hostinger account. So what I want to do in this video is to move this WordPress website from this subdomain to this main domain, which is Ben's tutorial, instead of wordpress.benstutorial.com. So how to do this? It's simple. First, click on dashboard button next to your original website that you want to move. Click on dashboard, then go to WordPress and click on copy website. As you see, if you need to copy your website's content to another domain, this feature is for you. Copy all of your website files and databases to one of the domains added to your web hosting plan. In my case, this is what I'm copying from. And here from this list, I can see the added websites on my Hostinger account, and I can select one of them. Click on it. Here, please note that if you have email accounts, FTP and SSH keys added to your original website or WordPress website, they will not be copied to the selected website automatically. So you need to move them manually. Now click on Start Copying. As you see here, they notify you about a potential data loss if you don't know. I understand that all of my destination website files will be overwritten without possibility to revert. Now click on Start Copying Anyway. Copying is in process. It usually takes up to 15 minutes. You can leave this page. Let's click on Close. And here I can see the status of my moving or copying of my website. Let's refresh the destination website, and I think the transfer is already completed from this website to this website. Let's refresh this to see if the status will change. They are still showing me these copying files and databases. And as you see, the status now shows completed. I think around this process took 2 to 3 minutes. Let's refresh or not refresh. Yes, as you see here, this logo or the logo placement of my website still links to the original link, which is wordpress.benstutorial.com, as you can see here. Now if I click on it, it will send me to the original website, so be cautious here. All of my website pages are good. Now let's try to log in to this new WordPress dashboard. So I will switch, or let's go back to the websites list page. Now my destination website started using the WordPress icon. Now let's try to log in to the WordPress dashboard. I think there is an issue with this move. Because it tries to ban. If you have difficulty logging to your WordPress dashboard, just give it a little bit of time. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. If you have difficulty logging to your WordPress dashboard, just give it a little bit of time, because it was the same thing that happened with me. And as I was trying to fix this issue, the issue was fixed by itself. I don't know what was causing it. Maybe it's an SSL certificate installing time, or I'm not sure. So just use this WordPress admin button. Just keep trying to log in, you will succeed. First thing that was fixed was logging in, and the second thing that fixed itself was logging out of my WordPress dashboard. So don't worry, this copying method or moving WordPress method works fine. And this is how to move your WordPress website content to another domain on the same Hostinger account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.